Hey, what's going on, all you beautiful people? Today we're doing kind of a boat day today. No four-wheeling, no Jeep action this time. We're gonna go hop in the boat. It looks like it's a beautiful day. We got a bit of black coming in. Initially the forecast was saying like 75% chance of rain, but now they kind of dumped it down to 20. So said the hell with it. We're gonna head out to the cabin. Mom and Dad, they live there full time, but we're gonna go out, spend the night, and see if we can't go in the boat and have some fun. We're just about to load up the kiddos. Got my little monster here hanging out and loading up the smoker. Gonna do a nice brisket. Picked up a brisket there, so looking forward to that. Nice big meal. So we're gonna get this loaded up and head out to the lake and hop on the water. Cheers. Well, we made it. Got it to the old family cabin, current spot of where my mom and dad reside. So we got the boat I got the boat up here the other day, and now we're here. We're gonna go for a little cruise. Looking forward to getting out on the water. Unloaded the smoker, and we've got our feed for the evening. And whew, that looks good. My main man Rudy. There's Babe hanging out underneath. My girl Hope. My dad's pup Hunter. And Sasha. We got one of the roommates on the deck. Just waiting for him to move out. And yeah, here it is. This is the family cabin spot. We built this place back in 2002. Me and my dad, or actually even before that, I would have say like around 95-ish. Built this place from the ground up. It used to be just kind of a summer only. You could kind of use it in the winter, but this is where we spend some of our summers, and mom and dad currently reside. So beautiful spot. Gotta say, we're pretty fortunate and very blessed to have something like this at our disposal. So a little bit later on, we'll be hopping in the water and be going for a tour. Look forward to it.
Getting more wood? That's where he gets all this wood.
It's not.
No, it's not.
Huh?
He was just teasing you. Don't listen to your grandpa. He's a fibber.
We're gonna go
Well,
in the water.
first boat of the 21. Hey? That'll be good.
And fun and fast.
It's gonna be beautiful out.
Cement's so much smoother than that clear water.
Yeah. It's been a while since you backed the trailer or what?
I can't see.
Oh, you're trying to hit.
Fucking new trucks, you can't see shit.
Oh.
And everything's beeping inside.
Well, because you don't have the trailer hooked up. Old half-ass RV. Well, I'll just wrap that around there and not plug it in where it's supposed to go. And okay, just fucking gun it.
Yeah, right.
We don't need the blanket anymore.
Yeah. No, you're just gonna sit in your spot. first boat weekend's done. Just sitting here hanging out, drinking the roommate's beer.
That's nothing new.
Nothing new, he says. Here we go. Great weekend. Saturday was kind of off and on, so we never got a chance to hop in the boat. We just played some games outside, and here we go. Here's the Sunday. Thanks for tuning in. Here's the next one.